Meaning of Herefordshire.
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 Herefordshire. Herefordshire is a county located in the West Midlands region of England. The name Herefordshire is believed to come from the Old English words here, meaning army or soldiers, and ford, meaning river crossing. This likely refers to the county's historical significance as a strategic location for military armies to cross rivers. Today, Herefordshire is known for its beautiful countryside, rich history, and agricultural heritage. The county is home to a variety of attractions, including historic castles, churches, and gardens, making it a popular destination for tourists.